students, how are you? Enjoy your I think you are enjoying your holidays. Take care of your health. Are you doing your homework regularly? If yes means it is happy for me. If no, please do your homework regularly and send it in the Hi-Fi app. And are you obeying your parents? Give respect to them. And students, pay your term fees and get your books soon. And yesterday what we have seen in our class. So about derived quantities we have seen yesterday. Derived quantities and then derived units we have seen, isn't it? So also examples for derived quantities. How you have obtained the answer by means of multiplication and then division using this fundamental quantities. So these we have seen yesterday. I think, do you remember this? So today we are going to see about is area. So what is meant by area? So far we have seen about what is meant by fundamental quantities and what is meant by fundamental unit. And next one, what we have seen about derived quantities and also what are called derived units. All this we have seen. And next topic is area for you. So here some examples are given for you to understand what is mean by this topic, that is area. Now here some examples are given. We will see one by one. Let us analyze the following situations. In Susan's house, her parents want to buy a carpet covering the entire living room floor. But how will they communicate to the store owner how big the carpet should be? And another example for you is Deepak's grandmother maintains a 40 feet by 200 feet lawn in front of her house. She asked Deepak to buy a bag of fertilizer from the store. He brings a bag that can cover 4,000 square feet of land. Once again I read, Deepak's grandmother maintains a 40 feet by 200 feet lawn in front of her house. Can you understand these three lines first? She maintains a 40 feet by, she is having a 200 feet lawn, and for that she is maintaining 40 feet in her house. What she is asking? She asked Deepak to buy a bag of fertilizer from the store. He brings a bag that can cover 4,000 square feet of land. So how much he is bringing? 4,000 square feet of land. It will cover that fertilizer can cover up to 4,000 square feet. Will the fertilizer be enough for the grandmother's requirement? Definitely that. So the answer is what? It is yes only. She can cover the so she can able to cover the 4,000 square feet of land. And next example for you is title of a newspaper article read, forest fire destroys more than 57,000 square kilometer of India's woods in 2014. So all these examples, it tells about the first thing you want to know, how much requirement of area is required for this. So what is mean by area? So area gives the amount or extent of a surface. So what is mean by area? It gives the amount or extent of a surface, to how much extent it is spread out. Like that it will give out the definition, like that it is given the example for. So what is meant by area? Area gives the amount or extent of a surface. Next one, SI unit to express area. So far we have seen what is meant by area, and next one you are going to see is SI unit. So if you consider the rectangle means, how will you calculate the area of the rectangle? That is length into breadth. This is the formula to calculate the area of a rectangle. So in the derived quantity itself you have seen that length is expressed in meters, likewise breadth is also expressed in meters. So what will be that unit of area will be meter into meter. What answer you will get? Square meter or meter square. So what is the representation for this? Square meter means you can represent it as SQM or meter square. So this is the SI unit to express area. Can you understand this one? Once again I repeat. So if you consider a rectangle means, how will you calculate the area of a rectangle? That is length into breadth. So what will be the unit of area? That is meter into meter square. So this representation is nothing. The length is expressed in meters. Likewise the breadth is expressed in meters. If you multiply this two, you will get square meter or meter square. This way or this way you can say. And next one you are going to see is what is mean by 1 square meter. So 1 meter square is the area enclosed inside a square of side 1 meter. Can you understand this one? That is 1 square meter. 1 square meter means what? It is the area that is totally covered in the surface of the square. Okay, of side, that means the square has a side of 1 meter. So this is called as what? 1 square meter. Okay, so students, what we have seen today, what is mean by area and what is the SI unit to express area, and next one is 1 square meter. So these topics we have covered today. So take down the homework. Define area. Define area. Starting from this one to this one you have to write. Area gives the amount or extent of a surface. And next question is, so students, that is enough. That is the question answer is enough. And next one is, take down the D words. Communicate. First one, communicate. Communicate. And next word is, next word, maintains. Maintains. Next word, fertilizer. Fertilizer. Next one, requirement. Requirement. Next one is situation. Situations. Situations. Amount. Amount. Enough students. So this one is the homework for you. Complete this homework and write down the given D words as 3 times. Take a snapshot of it and send it to the Hi-Fi app. Thank you students. See you in the next class.